Peace, peace. What's going on with you? You should already know. You back with your homeboy Wrenchturna. Yes, you see me at the shop. Got something new on the live. So you know I got something to talk about, something to show you. Give you a little insight on what I'm working on, and if you have one of these bikes, maybe something that I'm working on might be able to help you. So, without further ado, you know what we about to do, right? Run my intro. Let's get it, baby.
Tonight I'm feeling hey,
Feeling real heavy.
It's C4,
baby.
it's time to do.
What we gonna do?
Tonight we gon' ride. Tonight we gon' ride.
As we get today's video started, please let me remind you to visit VarsonBridges.com for all your get fly needs. Stop by, stay fly, tell them Wrenchturna sent you. Actually, you can use my promo code. That's Wrenchturna10. Wrenchturna10. Use my promo code. VarsonBridges.com. Hey, as I bring you guys up in the shop, right? I need for you guys to see what I'm working on. 94 Honda F2. Classic type thing, Yeah, so I started tearing down the carbs, tearing them down completely. Got the jet soaking right there. Other part of the carbs. Yeah, tearing them down completely.
Verbs and words move. No.
A lot can go on with a bike, when it's been sitting for a while, people haven't been riding the bike. And, you know, the elements, when you just leave your bike out in the elements, no cover and all that, the elements are brutal, you know what I mean? And they can really take a toll on the mechanics of the bike. So I want to put this clip in right now and show you guys when the bike came to the shop. I'll be right back. So you guys already know, I get a lot of stuff at the shop, right? And it's not that often that I get these classics at the shop, all right? So you guys gonna see me bring this back to life.
Yeah,
Man.
I got to see this part.
Classic. Because this is a classic. So, you know what I mean? Like, and you see why I had to drop it off. Double deuce!
Two-wheel towing.
You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, I'm going to bring this joint back to life. 94 CBR F2. Having some problems, but they brought it to the right person. You know what I mean? So, I'm going to fill y'all in. Let's go. Even looking over the bike, like, you see like miscellaneous wires and whatnot. Like, I have no clue what the wires go to. I think the owner does, but, my present job is to get it back running. So I will have my bro to look at these wires and to see what everything goes to. So, I'm not working behind myself or just thinking it's not working because of something I did. So, you know what I mean? I'm going to dig into it though, and I'm going to show you guys what's going on. I know a lot of you have had this bike, this is my third one. Shout out to Wu-Tang. Got the Acropovic on it. Yeah, I mean, it just looks as if it needs some love. Somebody that did the rims, that's a 90s thing. But yeah, it has potential. I'm nostalgic, so I love the older bikes anyway. And yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. That's what I'm working on right now. I will bring you guys more footage, in another video. But this is the first part to this because I know for a fact I have more to do in these carbs. I got to dig down a little bit deeper into them and see what's going on. But until the next video, I hope you guys stay safe. Remember, keep peace at the front of your mind and leave everything else behind. It's still new to me, so I'm still stumbling on it. Keep peace at the front of your mind and leave everything else behind. Love who loves you. You know my vibes. Peace.